Hi, it's Gina from WTI. Are you tired of reaching into the back of your closet and blindly trying to find clothing because it's too dark to see anything? I was, and that's why I'm so excited that I found these lights from Osoko. Not only have I been using them in our super dark closet, but also in our shower. We just have really bad lighting altogether in our place, and so having these lights has really just illuminated everything. I love that they're rechargeable, so I don't have to keep replacing batteries every time a light goes out. It's been so helpful to have the motion sensor setting because then I can just choose that, put it in the closet, and it only comes on when it's dark and senses motion. The company sends 2 extra sets of brackets, and I really like that because there's 3 lights to a pack, and I don't always have to have some light on in the bottom part of my closet. So when I'm not using that, I can pick it up from the closet and put it somewhere else. The only downside to these lights is that now I can see all the cobwebs and dust in my closet. You don't need to live in the darkness. I highly recommend these Osoko lights. You will find so many uses for them. I really love using them, and that's my point of view.